Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2014 for 2 marks. The question is, if G is a forest with n vertices and k connected components, how many edges does G have? So they are saying that there are k connected components. There are k connected components. And let's say there are k connected components and each of them have let's say, so the first connected component, let's say it has n1 vertices. The second connected component has n2 vertices. All the way there are k connected components. Let's say the kth connected component has n sub k vertices. Okay. Now these are the vertices. Now along with the condition that n1 plus n2 plus n3 all the way till nk, that is how much? That is n, because basically these are the number of vertices in each particular connected component, and the sum of all of them should be n, because it is given that there are overall n vertices. So we have seen that this thing is there. Now after that, let's focus on one particular connected component. Since G is a forest, it means that each of the component is a tree. And if each of the component is a tree, what property do we know about tree? That if there are n vertices in a tree, then, and that is a connected component, then it will have n minus 1 edges. So if there are p vertices in a particular tree and it is connected tree, right? So it will have p minus 1 edges, right? Standard definition. So similarly, this particular connected component, and this is a tree, I know that it has it has n sub 1 n1 vertices. How many edges it will have? It will have n1 minus 1 edges, right? This will have n2 minus 1 edges. Similarly, this thing will have nk minus 1 edges. You understand, right? So these are the number of edges in the particular connected components. I want to find out how many edges are there overall in G, which are essentially the sum of all these, right? So total number of edges is what? Is basically the summation of all these ni minus 1 values, where I is varying from where? From 1 to k. So n1 minus 1, n2 minus 1 till nk minus 1, right? This summation simply we have to find, right? Now I can write this as something like this: summation ni I is equal to 1 to n. So in each some part, what I am going to take, I am going to take the just first component, and rest minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that will add up k times, and that will be minus k. So my point is something like this, right? I can write like this. After that, what is this? This is basically this only, left hand side of this, n1 plus n2 till nk. So this is k, okay, till nk. What is this value? This value is n, right? So this is basically n, this part is n minus k. Okay, so how many edges are there overall? N minus k. So the answer is C, n minus k.